Hi, I'm San Diego family law attorney Brian A. Victor, and welcome to my 12th podcast episode. As I mentioned in my last podcast, listenership has increased with each subsequent podcast I have recorded. As a reminder, please remember if you are not a current subscriber to my podcast, please make sure to go to the iTunes store and subscribe so you don't miss any important podcasts regarding child custody and divorce issues. You can also go to my YouTube page and listen to any prior episodes you may have missed, and also re listen to podcast episodes focusing on a particular topic of interest to you. For this podcast episode, I am going to discuss the topic of holiday parenting plans. It's that time of year again when families get together to celebrate with one another. Schools are closed, children can play and enjoy some much needed time away from studying. That's right, the year-end holidays are upon us. This is the time of year when everybody is supposed to be in a happy mood and celebrating the end of another year. This is a happy time, except of course when couples who have divorced or ended a dating relationship do not have a holiday parenting plan, or if they have an ineffective holiday parenting plan. When either of these two scenarios occur, it usually results in a situation when one or both parents are unhappy about the time they get to spend with their children during the holidays and during winter break. Oftentimes, children are also unhappy about having to follow ineffective or non existent holiday parenting plans. This usually results in unnecessary stress being placed upon a child having to choose between their parents during the holidays. When parents are unable to resolve issues and agree with which holiday parenting plan their child should follow, it either results in a child not spending any time with the other parent or not spending enough time with the other parent. As a child custody attorney in San Diego, California, too often an individual comes to me because they are not able to spend enough time with their children during the holidays. Having recommended more than 4,000 parenting plans to family court judges when I worked for Family Court Services, I am well aware of the difference between effective and ineffective holiday parenting plans. I often discuss the positives and negatives of the client's current holiday parenting plan to try to find a deeper understanding of what is working and what is not working in their ability to spend time with their children during the holidays. I then ask them how much time they realistically can spend with their children during the holidays, and we work together to develop a beneficial parenting plan we can request from the other parent, or in other cases where we have to litigate the matter, request from the court. No child deserves the stress of having to decide between their parents, especially during the holiday time, and by developing effective holiday parenting plans, parents can alleviate this undue stress. To inquire further about holiday parenting plans, look for a local family law attorney who can discuss this process as it relates to your specific situation. In San Diego, California, contact the law offices of Brian A. Victor for more information on holiday parenting plans. Thank you very much for listening to this 12th podcast episode, as well as previous episodes. And feel free to contact me at my website, www.brianvictorlaw.com, for any suggestions you have regarding topics for future podcast episodes. Happy holidays.